Also, we have to pass a key in here, and I'm going to say the key should be item.id. That should be the key. There you go. And if you save this, you can see the other ID is now in a, you can see the other ID showing up perfectly good. So that's our other ID. And if I go ahead and copy this, copy those, and head over to processing orders. So inside the processing orders, I'm going to pass that in here. If you go ahead and save that, see the processing orders is also affected. Now it has order ID showing up. And the last place to add the changes will be shipped orders. Inside the shipped orders, we also add that. Now if you head over to the shipped orders, you see now it has order ID. So let's see what else we need to change. So items count, see this says 2 items, this says total $20. So we need to be able to fix the 2 items and the